Hey, what's up? We're in Centerville, Virginia today putting on a brand new IKO roof. And Dave, as I understand it, this one kind of rare. You don't really see this color a lot.
Yeah, Beechwood is an uncommon color, but it's going to look great.
Right on.
Go to check it out this afternoon.
It's cold, it's sunny. We got guys up on the roof. We'll be back later to check in on the progress. The day is almost done. Our roof is almost finished, but Dave, it looks wonderful. I mean, just what a product from IKO.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is definitely a great install. We've got the mansard roof in the front, very steep, beautiful location, beautiful color, turned out great.